When your mind locks in, distractions vanish, and every move feels effortless, you're not just working, you're flowing. This is the state where human performance hits its highest peak. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Monday, the start of a new week, a new chapter, and a chance to step into your full power. You're here with Awaken Minds, where we tap into the tools that help you rise above limits. Flow is the zone of absolute focus where everything clicks. Top athletes, artists, and innovators reach it not by chance, but by design. And you can too. 1. Master your focus. Guard your attention like it's pure gold. Flow can't exist where distractions live. Turn down the noise, and the current of clarity will begin to carry you forward. 2. Embrace challenge. Flow thrives when your skills are tested just enough to stretch you, but not so much that you break. That sweet spot between comfort and chaos is where growth feels natural, not forced. 3. Live in the now. Flow doesn't live in the pressure of results or the regret of the past. It lives in this moment. Anchor yourself here, and you'll discover energy and focus you didn't even know you had. So as you step into this week, remember, flow isn't rare, it's a practice. Master your focus, embrace the right challenge, and live fully in the present. That's how you unlock your performance and create a week of unstoppable momentum. That's it for today, my friend. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow on Awaken Minds for another step forward.